I see Daddy lighting it up.
It looks better if you look at it in real life and not through the video.
I love that. Okay. Actually, crazy. I look under. Well, it's taking the video. I look up on top. Ooh.
Yeah. I think it's almost done. It's like a whole show.
That looks like magic. I love it.
That was the best one. Yeah.